Hello, hello! Today we are going to make a memory drawing. Well, are you excited for this one? Lovely! Then let's see what do we have in our book. Yes, we have 4 steps right here which we need to follow and make this beautiful girl. So, let's start by making the face. If you notice, we are making the face way above, just below the written text here. Yes, this is because we need space for her body. Hence, let's make it upright here and then start by making her body. Make sure that the face is in proportion with the body. It shouldn't be so that the body is small and the face is big. Let's make the outline of all of these first. And now we will make the bag right here. This looks very interesting. Complete the hair and then the face. Well, now we are going to make the facial expressions. Let's make the eyes. And try and make both the eyes of the same size. After which, we will be making these slanting lines like this. Yes, which are already there in the skirt. This looks brilliant. Let's start by sketching this now, for which we will require a black sketch pen. Go very slow while sketching and do not make a mistake. Yes, we will be sketching only the fair drawing. Be very careful while sketching all the facial expressions. And after that, continue sketching the other body parts. And the bag and the book. This looks amazing. Let's go ahead with sketching the entire drawing in a similar way. This looks amazing. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see. And then start coloring the entire drawing. At first, we are going to color these alternate lines with light yellow color. And then do light green on top of it. It gives us a beautiful yellowish green shade. After which, we are going to take another shade of green and start coloring the alternate lines. Yes, this is an olive green color. Let's go ahead by coloring them properly. That's amazing. After that, let's do this part yellow. And then we will start by doing the bag with magenta color. Go ahead and color this slowly. Wherever we want a darker shade, we are going to press the color and do it. And wherever we want a lighter shade, we are going to release the pressure from the color and do it. Let's apply pressure on this and color nicely. And now let's do the neck and the face. After which we will be doing the hands. And then this part of the leg. Do not do it at the bottom as they are the socks. Let's do a beige color this side. And then we will do blue color for the socks and the shoes. Let's do the eyes with brown color. And now let's take a brown colored sketch pen and make these hair strands. This looks very interesting. After this, we will start by coloring this entire hair section with brown color. Go very slow while coloring it. Let's make this hair into multiple sections. Yes, so that we can give it different shades. We can also change the color and go ahead with a darker one. Let's start by blending these colors with dark brown now. Press the color hard and color in a darker way. This looks amazing.